In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix iOS 18 upgrade option not showing up on your iPhone. Now, first what you'll need to do is check if your device is compatible with iOS 18. So this is the official Apple site, and here you can see all the devices that are compatible with iOS 18. So right here you can see iPhone SE and iPhone SE 3rd generation, and everything above iPhone X is compatible with iOS 18. So make sure that you're under this category, and doing that you can just try turning on and turning off your airplane mode. And after doing that, we'll just go and see if the software update is available, and just let it check for its update. And after it checks for its update, if you find the iOS 18 upgrade, that's great. If not, what you'll need to do is just restart your iPhone. Now, to force restart your iPhone, you'll have to quickly press and release the volume up button, do the same for the volume down button, and then hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, you can release the side button and your phone will force restart. After doing that, just check if the update is available again, and if it's not, what you'll need to do is just go to your settings, and after you're on your settings, go to general and scroll down till you find transfer or reset iPhone. After you do that, tap on reset and you can reset all settings, and after you do that, your iPhone will have the update. But if not, it might be because iOS 18 is not currently available in your region, and it will soon be available. So just wait for it, and after you wait for it, after it's available, you can just upgrade it. So yeah, that is basically it for the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.